All right, so to get us started here, I wanted to also thank everyone for joining us this morning. Just to introduce the group that we have here at Arlon. My name is Nicole Witt, and I'm the Director of Marketing for the Americas. With me, I also have Mike Aybinder, who is our Regional Sales Manager for the South Central. We also have Billie Graiff, who is our Regional Sales Manager for the Southeast locations. And then we also have Matt Braswell, who is our Technical Sales Specialist for the East Coast. He is actually going to be our moderator today. And so if you have any questions during the presentation, feel free to ask them in the chat window and he'll be responding to you directly. And in addition to that, he is going to be saving a few of the questions towards the end to answer to the whole group. So we really want to make this interactive and make it of value to you guys. So thank you once again. All right. So what we have prepared for you today is we'll be going through Arlon's brand value proposition. So really why you should be doing business with Arlon and what value we bring to you. Mike will then take us through a few of our top key products and really give you the differentiating factors for all of them. Then we'll pass it over to Billie, who will be talking through our technical sales process and other resources available to you. And then we'll leave about 5 minutes at the end for a question and answer session. All right, so something that we always start with at our company, whether it's internal or with our customers, is we always start with Arlon's core values. The reason that we always start with these is because we want you all to know what really is behind the Arlon brand and what really is the foundation to everything that we do. So our 5 core values are excellence, accountability, teamwork, inspiration, and integrity. And I would say that I've worked at Arlon for about 7 years now. And I think that as a company, these are all core values that we all have, we possess, and that really are present in every single one of our actions every day. So Arlon's value proposition, a question that you might have is, why would I want to do business with Arlon? Well, like I said, our core values really are the foundation of everything that we do, from sales to marketing to technical services to our whole operations group. We really do value our core values. I think that is then present in the best-in-class products that we have. So as a company, we've really invested heavily in our research and development, as well as our product development teams, in order to provide you with new technologies. Flight technology is a perfect example of that. But really what we want to be doing is we want to be producing and developing products that are of value to you. So always looking for what problem can we solve in your shop. More profit. So Arlon, we pride ourselves in being very cost competitive. What that means for you is we're always keeping your bottom line in mind. We're not compromising on product quality. We still have amazing products that produce great quality, but what they are is they're a competitive price point for you. So they allow you to make a little bit more money off of the jobs that you're getting in and out the door every day. And then lastly, we want to be a trusted partner to you. Being a trusted partner, you know, one of our goals as a company is that we want to be better connected to our end users. So we want to be connected to you because we want to know what really drives your everyday motives in your shop. So then that way we can take that back internally and apply it across all of our departments. So I think you'll see that with all of the sales and marketing tools that we try and provide you, but that really is one of the things that moves our business forward. Now I'll pass it over to Mike, who is actually going to go through cast and calendar to give you a little bit of behind the scenes into that. Mike?
Thank you, Nicole. Good morning, everyone. So my name is Mike Aybinder, and I'm the South Central Regional Sales Manager for Arlon. Hope everyone's week is off to a great start. Before I dive into the product portion of my presentation, I want to quickly explain the differences between cast and calendar vinyl and why I think it's important, so that you guys can make good, informed purchasing decisions from the get-go. In my opinion, one of the most overlooked and misunderstood parts of the sign making and printing process is choosing the right vinyl. As anyone on this call has had the pleasure of redoing vinyl graphics knows, the lowest cost involved is always going to be the vinyl itself. Having to redo graphics by removing cracked or brittle film is no fun and will give your shop a very bad rap which is far more expensive than your vinyl investment. Therefore, choosing the right film is going to be vital to your shop's success. Without getting too technical, I want to give you guys a quick overview on how cast and calendared vinyls are made and when to select one over the other. Cast and calendared refers to the way that the film was manufactured. Cast film starts as a paint-like substance called organosol, which is poured over a sheet and run through a series of ovens to cure the liquid into a solid film. On the other hand, calendar film starts as a dough-like substance called plastisol, which is run between a series of hot rollers to press the film to desired thickness. So the key takeaways there is the casting process produces a stress-free film that over its lifetime will have minimal shrinkage. As in contrast, the calendaring process will produce stress over the film that over its much shorter lifetime can shrink noticeably. So all in all, now that you guys are all experts on how cast and calendared vinyl film is made, what are the pros of choosing cast versus calendared? So the pros of cast vinyl is that there's no shrinkage when heat is applied. It's durable and it's long lasting. It's a conformable product that can be applied over rivets, corrugations, and complex curves. And also color retention is much better over time. On the flip side, the pros of calendared vinyl is that it's less expensive than cast vinyl. It's abrasion resistant. It's easy to handle because it's thicker, and it's excellent on flat, simple, and moderate curves. It's the ideal choice for short to medium-term use while prioritizing a lower cost. So the first product I'd like to highlight is our SLX cast wrap with Flight technology, which is a 2 mil premium cast vinyl designed for vehicle graphics, and that includes both full and partial vehicle wraps. So you may be thinking, what is Flight technology? Well, let me tell you. Flight is Arlon's brand name for our light contact adhesive system, which allows graphics to float over a substrate until firm pressure is applied. Flight technology guarantees a fast install while ensuring a long-term bond. It also allows the film to conform around rivets, complex curves, and deep channels with ease. The idea for Arlon behind developing this technology for vehicle wraps was essentially to give single installers the ability to wrap any vehicle with a user-friendly, forgiving vinyl. The unique features of this film are the light initial contact with air egress, which allows for superior repositionability, effortless liner release, ability to stay down in deep channels without the need of a primer, vibrant and reliable print quality, and clean removability. The features offer your shop the following benefits. Lower cost on installation. You can actually speed up your installation time by as much as 20% under ideal conditions. Another benefit is better productivity since you guys can produce more wraps with the same amount of installers. And lastly, the third benefit is that a beginner installer can jump right onto the vehicle and contribute with relative ease. All these benefits will ultimately lead to higher profitability for your shop. The next product I would like to highlight is our DPF 6100 XLP. This particular product is our go-to 2 mil multi-purpose cast vinyl with low profile escape technology. So what is escape technology? Essentially, it's simply known as air egress technology, which allows the installer to reposition the substrate without permanent adhesion being compromised. This particular product is actually a shop favorite for its excellent opacity and easy installation thanks to the properties of the vinyl. It's highly durable and is the ideal multi-purpose solution for applications such as vehicle graphics, that includes both full and partial wraps, fleet graphics, interior walls, and general signage. The benefits of this film are that it has a low-profile liner for a smooth paint-like finish with vibrant and reliable print quality. It's also print cut friendly, and it's highly conformable around things such as rivets, curves, contours, and channels. Also, no primer is needed when installing this film in deep channels. So all in all, this film will be an excellent choice for you guys when medium tack levels are required or preferred. That comes especially handy in colder climates, which will help facilitate an easier and speedier install. So this film is basically the jack of all trades, and the versatility of the film will add total value to your project in the form of design, installation, lamination, and removal. Next product on our list is our 3.5 mil calendared vinyl called the DPF 8200 High Tack. Many of you folks probably are well aware of this product. It's actually an extension of our legacy product called the DPF 8000, which we've had in our arsenal for years. So the DPF 8200 features a multi-purpose, high-tech adhesive designed for hard-to-stick surfaces. It's perfect for indoor and outdoor textured surfaces and also low surface energy substrates. This is the go-to product for applications such as coolers, porta potties, signboards. People use it on common plastic bins, industrial machines, and so forth. What's really unique about this film is that it can produce high-quality graphics without unsightly adhesive residue. What I mean by that is that there'll be negligible shrinkage on the liner, which will ultimately produce high-quality graphics from the beginning to the end of an application. Also, the low shrink adhesive system allows for clean seams and overlaps. DPF 8200 makes it easy to convert, print, and apply, which will optimize your workflow. And like the rest of our product portfolio, it's compatible across all printing platforms, and you can bet on consistent print quality every time. If there's one product that I feel every sign and graphics shop should have on their floor, it's the DPF 4600 GLX MLX. It's available in both a gloss and matte finish. This product is a 3.2 mil repositionable, clean removing calendared film with escape technology. Think of this film basically as a calendared vinyl on steroids because it possesses many of the same properties as a cast film, even though it's a high performance calendared vinyl. Unlike most calendared vinyls, which tend to shrink over time and are not clean removing, this particular film is actually the exception to the rule. It's a high quality product at a value price and is the multi-purpose solution for a variety of applications, such as window graphics, real estate signage. People use it at POP displays, trade show graphics, and partial vehicle wraps and decals. Also, the film has a light gray adhesive, which gives it excellent opacity and superior hiding power. Something a lot of people may not know, it actually has the same adhesive as the DPF 6100 XLP, which I discussed earlier, which means it basically has a premium adhesive system and allows for superior repositionability. This particular product, in my opinion, offers tremendous value for a multi-purpose product. It allows for easy installation and removal, resulting in cost savings while lowering your total inventory cost. Also, I'm excited to announce the newest addition to our product portfolio in the form of DPF 510 GTX MTX. This 3.2 mil calendared film with a tinted solvent-based adhesive comes in both gloss and matte finishes, and it will be formally unveiled to the market next month. So what makes this product so special? It's an economical multi-purpose vinyl which now features low-profile escape technology for easy bubble-free installations. DPF 510X is designed for short-term promotional and display graphics, including windows, decals, trade show, and POP displays. It's ideal for interior and exterior applications on flat surfaces. It has excellent printability on eco-solvent, solvent, and latex systems. Also, basically, if you're just looking for a high-quality calendared vinyl with air egress at a very competitive price to be used for short-term interior or exterior signage, then DPF 510 GTX MTX is your choice. Lastly, I would like to finish off by talking about overlaminates. So I just spent some time describing the features and benefits of our core digital print medias. However, it's critical that you pair these products with the matching overlaminate. So you may be asking, why is adding an overlaminate to your printed graphic so important? Well, there's a number of reasons. First is ease of application. Adding a laminate to the printed graphic will make it thicker, making it easier to reposition without distorting the image. Second is abrasion resistance. Graphics tend to be subjected to a lot of constant abrasion during its time, and laminates will protect it. The third reason is UV stability, which will provide your graphic with UV protection to keep your image looking vibrant for a longer period. Fourth is actually changing the desired finish of the graphic, since our laminates are offered in many finishes such as matte, satin, luster, and gloss. And lastly, removal. So the same thickness and stability that makes the graphic easy to install will also make removal easier. So now that you guys know why overlaminates are important, we offer a wide range of laminates that will pique your interest. Our cast laminates range from 1.3 mil thick, such as the Series 3210, to 2 mil thick, like our Series 3220 and 3270. These laminates are a great option to pair with both cast and calendared media. 3210 is thinner and thus has enhanced conformability for applications such as vehicle wraps. Whereas 3220 and 3270 are slightly thicker, but are also very soft, thin, flexible, and conformable, and are used in a variety of applications. Also, they're available in multiple finishes as well. The Series 3420 is our gold standard when it comes to everyday calendared over laminates. It's 3 mils thick and it's available in gloss, matte, and satin. It's a popular option for interior floor applications since it's now UL 410 approved for slip resistance. Last laminate, I'd like to tell you guys about our Series 3510. That is your DPF 510 solution. It's only to be used with our DPF 510 product range. So it's no coincidence that the last 3 numbers of the name are 510. It's available in both gloss and matte and is ideal for interior and exterior applications on flat surfaces. So rule of thumb when it comes to laminates, you always want to match up cast laminates with cast and calendared media, but calendared over laminates are only to be paired with calendared print media. Otherwise, potential issues may develop with the application. So laminate should always be equal to or better than the base layer that it's going on. Otherwise, you're just your weakest link, essentially. So that's it for the product portfolio section of the presentation.
So Arlon provides many resources for the distributor and the end user. So we're excited to announce that these are some of the great products resources that we actually provide to you. One of them is our rapidwrite.com, which is an instructional video on product and installation. So that website contains many videos in regards to how to install and our different products. The second one is our technical sales expert, which is Matt Braswell and Louis Kalma. They are really great in regards to helping us with support on technical issues, installs, and on also are usually ahead of our classes. Us, Mike and I, and our other regional sales managers, we strive on being the most committed to our product, our distributors, and our end users. We work hard on being the most responsive in the industry. And then fourth and finally, and one of our greatest resources that we provide are our workshops, trainings, and certifications. Our vehicle workshops are great training on regards to all of our fleet and vehicle products that we provide. We have one-on-one trainings that we can provide if you would like to spend a one-on-one day with your RSM and your trainer and your installer on different installation techniques. Last year, we actually released our Arlon certification and training. We will have those throughout the year, so just keep an eye out on our website and social media on when they will be there. Please feel free to reach out to us regarding any of these resources and if you have any questions or would like to schedule a date.